Welcome back to MOTOBLADE, guys. It's another chilly day here in the garage, and while I'm waiting for the snow to melt and lamenting that summer is not here yet, I decided we're going to do some more installs on the Harley. This is going to be a really easy install, but when I got the bike it has just the silver derby cover on there, and not only does it look just pretty plain, it's been really scuffed up over the years. Not by the riding I've done, but the previous owner scuffed it up pretty badly. So we're just going to go ahead and replace this with our new Willie G Skull derby cover. This will match our Willie G Skull gas cap on our tank, and I think it'll make the bike look pretty good with the whole blacked out look I'm going for. So let's get started. First thing we want to do is take off our old derby cover. That is a Torx Head TH27 fitting for all these little screws. Just to make it a little easier, I'm going to put that on an extension bar. Not necessary, but definitely helpful. Once our last one is out, instructions say you can throw these away. I always hang on to old bolts as a spare anyway, and they have little washers on them, so it could be useful to hang on to them in the shop. But if you really don't need them, you can discard them. Quick note, if your bike is resting on its kickstand, you're going to need something to put underneath of the cover when you take it off, because if it's over on the kickstand, you are going to drip some oil. One thing I didn't realize at the beginning was this is actually stuck on there pretty good. So I'm taking just a very flat pry edge behind there, gently pull that off. If your bike is over on its side like this and you're topped off on oil, you may get a little bit of a run out. So when I started, I was not expecting quite as much oil as this. I just put the old cover down there on the ground, let it collect the oil. It's almost done dripping out. We should be good here in a minute. The oil's flowing slow enough right now that I can wipe away what's there and then put the cover up and hold it there. The screws that come with your new cover already have some thread locker on them, so just have the washer on there ready to go. And we're just going to wipe. Make sure our gasket is sealed all the way around and seated properly there in the primary. And get her on and hold. Here's our new one. Once you get a couple of them in by hand, that should be enough to hold just enough pressure there to keep it from leaking any more oil out. Again, if you have a motorcycle stand and you can actually keep this thing upright, even better, but I do not have one of those yet. At this point, if you haven't been using an extension bar, I recommend going to it to keep you further away from the paint and from your bike as you're swinging this. You'll need a torque wrench. They recommend 84 to 108 inch-pounds of torque. Why Harley doesn't give you an exact number to just go with, I don't know. But I'm putting mine to 108 inch-pounds. So go around, make sure you got all 5 of them set to between 84 and 108. That's all there is to it, guys. Just taking off the old screws, the old cover, putting the new one on. New screws. Pretty straightforward, and I think it makes this side of the bike look a lot better. Last thing I think I need to do with the engine is swap out the chain cover there for a black one to match the rest of the casing, and I think she'll be set. It's the first week of March here in Vermont, but there's still plenty of snow on the road, plenty of snow yet to come, unfortunately. So I'm still doing gear reviews and some install videos. Got a big project coming up. We're going to swap out the handlebars on the Harley. Get some taller bars in there, make it more of a club style bike. And then I think she'll be absolutely perfect for comfort between that and the Saddleman seat and the Ford controls. That's the plan. Have her super comfortable by summer, get the most riding out of her weekend this year. Hope you guys enjoyed this short install video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Click the bell icon next to it. That'll give you guys notifications when there are new videos to watch right here on MOTOBLADE. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, y'all know what to do. Ride safe, ride on. I'll catch you on the next video. Later.